Harshal, the question is, what are the key considerations when implementing AI to ensure it aligns with governance objective and societal needs? I think both of you can answer the
Yeah, I can
same.
start, and I think Swar can add.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so good question actually. In technology world, this is called grounding or safeguarding. Okay, so grounding means there are two, three places where companies actually look at this AI safety. Now, if you Google AI safety, first thing will come up is Google's own AI safety. Okay, so it's worthwhile looking at this set of pages to get the answer of this question. Briefly, the data itself needs to be curated so that it is safe data. Okay, so now this is a big question. Not everyone has gotten their head around yet. As for mentioned, a lot of big companies are entangled and all that. But roughly speaking, if the data does not have unwanted elements, of course, the output will not have unwanted elements. Okay, trouble starts when you automate the process of gathering data. For example, crawling the internet. Now, if you crawl the internet, there is a dark side of web as well that gets inputted into the model. So, how do you then do it manually? If you do manually, yes. So there is this problem. So gathering data safely is one. Second, after the output is generated, you have to make it pass through a layer, which is safety layer. Now, this is what all these companies are doing. There are a few good articles. I would suggest the person who asked the question to read. If you go to Anthropic, the company's name is Anthropic, and their model is Cloud, I think. And if you look at some of their articles, they've done some good work to answer this question. How do you safeguard at the output before it is given to the user? Okay, so at the input data, the output, technically speaking, that should be checked. So this is one way of thinking about it. And who decides what is safe? That's very subjective. And I really don't have a clear answer. And as Swar said, you can have iterative process of having version 1 of regulation, then you be open-minded, you involve stakeholders, then you repeat and then revise. And easiest way, I think Swar would recommend this is if you look at archives of previous acts and then revision of those acts. This is how even human species learn. Okay.